Hello everyone, and welcome to break 2694 for the 2020 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Tuesday, July 7th, 2020. It's 10:31 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:31 p.m. Central Time, and 7:31 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have T.I. Boy with 7 spots, Rinsky 8, Stoeli 1, Firefighter 11, B.E. H-Ren 4, Dustbar with 1 spot. Now let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Tim, you're on top. Dustbar bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Dustbar on top, BE on the bottom. Dustbar, you have the Cardinals, Tim with the Falcons, Rinsky Ravens, Tim with the Bills, Firefighter Panthers, Stoeli with the Bears, Rinsky Bengals, Firefighter Browns, Cowboys, Broncos, Rinsky Lions, BE Packers, Rinsky Texans, Colts, Firefighter Jaguars, BE Chiefs, Tim with the Chargers, Firefighter Rams, Rinsky Dolphins, Tim with the Vikings, BE with the Patriots, Firefighter with the Saints, Rinsky Giants, Firefighter Jets, Tim with the Raiders, Firefighter Eagles, Steelers, Rinsky 49ers, Tim Seahawks, Buccaneers, Firefighter Titans, and last but not least, BE with the Washington Redskins. And we're all sealed up. Whichever team's on the card, that's where the card will go. See what we have here. Daniel Jones rookie auto for the New York Giants. How about that? Daniel Jones rookie auto. Congrats to whoever has the Giants. Here's the back. New York Giants will go to Rinsky 7. Congrats on the Daniel Jones rookie auto from break 2694 in the 2020 Hit Parade Football Limited Edition card box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then we're on to break 2698 for the 2020 Gold Rush Baseball Value Pack. Thanks.